sector in which I wanted to take him in
My
that
dear,
way.
I want to ask one thing from you. Why always the students are being pressurized by the parents that whatever they want, they have to do? They are not a toy, and they are not a robot. They will guide by their parents that you have to do this, you have to do this, and whatever they want, they have to do this. This is not. They are not a toy. They are human, and they have a mental thinking that what is right and what is wrong for themselves. They can take a action in their life, and also they can take a they can do whatever they want, but it may be in a limits, and also it may be not, it should not be a wrong for
My dear
themselves.
friend, it's not.
In this
India
time
is not a
we
Western
can see
country
that
that you
everywhere
can see
from,
that way.
let me just leave it, let me speak this point that when the child is when the child is 3 or 4 years old, then the parents taught them how to talk and how to speak and how to walk. When he got the 10 to 12 year also, then he used to send the schools. When he or she is 14 to 15 year old, their parents are told to them that you don't go there, you should not do this, you have to do this, you have to do this, and you don't need to do this, these types of things. When time about to marriage, so they force them that you have to marry for him, he's rich and he's
Okay.
educated,
Okay.
he's
Okay.
he's
Have you ever-
interested
have
in
you
their
ever-
money, not in the person.
Have you